Hi, this is JB Lennux and welcome back to my channel. And we are in a 100-day challenge, and today we are making it happen. So I hope a lot of you guys are staying encouraged and staying positive no matter what's going on in life. Just keep on going. Don't give up. No matter what you're going through, just don't give up. If you have goals, if there's any ambitions you got, make it happen, because anything is possible. And no matter what anybody, no hater, no little skonkas in the back, hell with them. Make it happen, because life keeps on going irregardless. Those people in the air, they're not going to be there long. You're going to be here forever, or as long as you possibly can, and just keep on going. And our expirations dates, they're gonna be there, but we don't know when. So might as well make the best of it. Make it happen for yourself, for your family, for heck, even if the only person you have, or even if it's your cat, your dog, you know, make it a point to do it for that, for them, you know. Not everybody has something to motivate them or someone to motivate them. There's always something, and find that reason. Keep pushing through. If I'm over here bouncing around, it's because, yeah, I don't have a steady walk. I have a little bounce to me when I walk. I got a little bit of a strut. Yeah, got that little bit of a runway thing on me. So yeah. Anyways, so I do want to encourage you just to stay positive and make it happen. I have just as much faith in you as you do in me, and I thank you guys so much for continuing to stay watching. And you guys are just as much encouraging for me as I am to you. I feel so inspired to keep on making my content because you guys are still here. And you know, either way, I'm still going to keep on going. And here I am today. We got a beautiful park in the background. I hope you guys can actually see that. I am in San Antonio, Texas. I'm gonna let you know a little bit more about me. So I am early 30s. I'm 33, and I'm multiracial. So many ethnicities, it's not even funny. So when I get given like one of those, here, my stabilizer is just so purposeless right now. If you see all the shine, it's because I have sunscreen on. I fill out all the check marks because I have that many running through my blood, so I just can't help that. But just my heritage. Anyway, now growing up, there was a lot of struggles, and then, you know, nothing in life is easy, of course. So I just want to be able to share whatever I can with you guys and be able to encourage others to stay positive through the simple things, through the hard things, through the things that, you know, may seem like the biggest things to some people. Okay, I don't own the rights to that music. I don't know if that's copyrighted. Oy. Here, let me hurry up and get out of this little zone. Oy, okay. All right, yeah. Okay, now I can. Okay. Oh, we got a little puppy right there. So, you know, it's just, at one point in time, I was in a very dark place, and meanwhile, I know that there's other people that have more than likely been in the same spot. Ooh. And I'm about to get eaten by a bunch of little ones. Little mini dogs. So, it happens. Yeah, I guess it does. I guess it really does. Oh my gosh. So, you know, if I can give someone an encouraging word or words to be able to pull them through a dark spot or a dark place, I would love to be able to do that, because when I needed to be able to get that, I was really looking just to be able to get some words of encouragement. And there was actually a couple of people who I was able to turn to, and I'm so glad that I had those people too. But not everybody has that. And, you know, maybe this can actually reach someone, and, you know, maybe something at some point in time on my channel or my page will actually reach out and actually help someone. Maybe a smile on my face, you know, will actually lighten someone's day. You never know. Oh, shit. So, we'll just hope for the best. And you see that nice, beautiful pit right there? I'm like, oh my gosh, just keep on walking. Keep on walking. I'm about to get eaten by a nice pit that's just out here without a dog leash. Wow, there's a lot of dogs out here without leashes. Yeah. So, that's the neighborhood around here. So, I will show you more neighborhoods as well, by the way. I'm about to walk up on another dog. Oh my gosh, they got them everywhere right now. So, yeah. Thought you'd get an idea of different neighborhoods, what it's like. Here in San Antonio, I wasn't just gonna show you one neighborhood, I was gonna show you more. But, yeah. Anyways, so, like I said, I got plenty to offer, and I got so much more content to create for you guys, and I'm just grateful to be able to do this. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, or you'll see me at the next video. Wow, look at all these dogs. Yeah. You see this? Dogs everywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get eaten alive. Wow. Wow. Now, we love the little babies, but someone come get your children. I know it's Father's Day, but someone come get your children. You let them come play in the park. Come get your babies. Thank you. I'm just so glad I didn't get bit. But yeah. Anywho. So yeah, so we're just in the neighborhood right now. And we was in one neighborhood of the west side. And just walking around, just talking. And it's Father's Day, and I'm hoping that I'm able to get through to you guys and liven up a few spirits, showing you guys, see me break a sweat, worrying about getting bit by like 100 dogs. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yeah, oh my gosh. About ready to run up a tree. No, I'm just kidding. Never that. But anyway, so this was very interesting. Very interesting. And yeah, we'll tune in later. Thank you for joining in.